Okay, you have desktop, you have a microphone, you have alert box. All those audio will be on 111. If you just want one track while recording, you add another track, i.e. 2. This will add another audio track that is just desktop audio. It doesn't have your mic, it doesn't have the alerts. And then if you want a microphone, just a microphone while recording your audio, your stream, whatever you're doing, you hit one audio track 3, and in your software it will be 3. The extra track you can edit separately. Hey guys, KontrolStyle here. Guides for myself. We have another one. So I'm having issues trying to record separate tracks using Stream Labs OBS. And I wanted to make a video showing how I got it to work. Let's get started, shall we? First, we need to go into settings for Streamlabs, which is right here. Then we go into audio. Make sure your audio device is set to default. Make sure your mic is set to default. Okay, once that's done, click on the output. Make sure you're under advanced. Streaming tab. I'm not quite sure how many I need here. I put 2. I got it to work. I'm going to keep it 2. If you have a better fix, help me out in the comments. Thanks. So you want 2 audio tracks under streaming? Maybe. Click on recording. Here's where the magic happens. So you want to have audio tracks. You want to have at least 2. I have 3. That is how I got it to work. So now you go over here to open advanced audio settings on your OBS Streamlabs. So how I have it fixed is streaming the desktop audio, which is your game or music or whatever you have going on your desktop, coming out the speakers, your headphones, whatever, is going to be 1. 2 is your microphone. That means the microphone I'm talking into is going to be on that first track, and then the alerts. So I guess you could technically turn those alerts off for better recording. This is track 2. Go down to the next one. No microphone. So just desktop on number 2. And then as you see, microphone is just 3. This is how I figured out how to record my voice, the sound, separate. If you have a better solution, please comment. It'd be awesome. And I can show you an example on, this is the 3 tracks, how it looks in Premiere. And I will mute the first one, is it? The first one is, because I'll show you an example. Before the music, testing, 1. So you hear 2 times. You hear, because you're hearing the audio in the first one, and then in my audio of just my speaking voice. If I mute this track and go back, before the music, testing, 1, 2, 3. So now it's just me talking. So it's just a microphone and the audio. Let's see what this audio. Oh, okay. So if I go over here, it recorded this, but you can just mute that, or I'm just going to delete it. So I had this muted, so it should just show the audio track of the game here and then my voice. And now me and the sound together, we're talking together. Now I see how it works. So you can just go ahead and unlink and delete this one. Now me and the sound together, we're talking together. Now you should be able to record and stream at the same time on different audio tracks. Thanks for watching. Please comment below if you have a better way to do this. Cheers!